Hello students, in this special series we are learning how to find the distance between any 2 points given. So in the first part we have studied how to find the distance between any 2 points if they are on the number line. In the second part we have studied how to find the distance between any 2 points if they are on either of the axes, that is if they are on x-axis or if they are on y-axis. You can watch those videos, the links are given in the description. In this session, we are going to learn how to find the distance between any 2 points if a line segment joining those 2 points is either parallel to x-axis or y-axis. Let us consider the first case. For that, consider 2 points in a Cartesian coordinate system. Now, as we can see, these are the points which are not on the x-axis, but if we draw a segment joining these 2 points, that is, if we draw a segment joining points A and B, segment AB is parallel to x-axis. So we have to find the formula by which we can find the distance between these two. Let us consider the coordinates of point A as x1, y1 and the coordinates of point B as x2, y2. Now here, if we draw a perpendicular from point B to the x-axis, let segment BC is perpendicular to x-axis. Similarly, if we draw a perpendicular from point A to the x-axis, so let segment AD is perpendicular to x-axis. Now, as we have drawn segment BC perpendicular to x-axis, the x-coordinate of point C must be same as x-coordinate of point B. So we have assumed that x-coordinate of point B is x2. So the x-coordinate of point C is also x2. And as point C is on the x-axis, its y-coordinate must be 0. So the coordinates of point C are x2, 0. Similarly, we have drawn AD perpendicular to x-axis. So the coordinates of point D must be x1, 0, as x1 is the x-coordinate of point A and point D is on the x-axis. That's why its y-coordinate is 0. So we have got the coordinates of point D as x1, 0 and coordinates of point C as x2, 0. And previously we have studied how to find the distance between any 2 points which are given on x-axis. That is, we have to take only the difference between their x-coordinates. That is, here the x-coordinate of C is x2 and x-coordinate of D is x1. So to find the distance between C and D, we use the formula x2 minus x1. Now, as quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle, opposite sides must be congruent. That is, AB must be congruent with CD, and distance CD can be calculated by using the formula x2 minus x1. The same formula should be there for finding the distance between point A and B. So to find the distance AB, we have to use the formula x2 minus x1. So if there are 2 points given and if the line segment joining these 2 points is parallel to x-axis, its distance can be also found by using the same formula, that is x2 minus x1. Now let us consider 2 points which are taken in a Cartesian coordinate system. Let the points be A and B. And if we draw a segment joining point A and point B, as we can see, segment AB is parallel to y-axis. So how to find the distance between these 2 points if the line segment joining these 2 points is parallel to y-axis? Again, in the same way, the coordinates of A, let the coordinates of A as x1, y1 and coordinates of B as x2, y2. And now if we draw a perpendicular from A to y-axis, similarly, if we draw a perpendicular from B to y-axis, so here we get a segment AC which is perpendicular to y-axis and segment BD perpendicular to y-axis. Now as we have drawn a perpendicular from point A to C, its y-coordinate must be same. That is, y-coordinate of A is y1. That's why y-coordinate of C must be also y1. And as point C is on the y-axis, its x coordinate must be 0. So the coordinates of point C are 0, y1. In the same way, the coordinates of point B are x2, y2, and we have drawn a perpendicular from point B to y-axis. Its y-coordinate must be same, that is the y-coordinate of point D must be y2, and as it is the point on y-axis, its x-coordinate must be 0. So the coordinates of point D are 0, y2. And we have studied that if there are 2 points on y-axis, the distance between these 2 points are found by using the formula y2 minus y1. And as quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle, the distance between point A and B are also found by the same formula, that is y2 minus y1. So this is the formula by which we can find the distance between any 2 points if the line segment joining those 2 points is parallel to y-axis.